If you're driving for Uber Eats in 2025, you have probably seen two main payment options: instant pay and weekly pay. Both sound convenient, but depending on your cash flow needs and long term habits, one might be better than the other. In this video, I'm going to break down the pros and cons of both so you can decide which one fits your hustle the best. Let's start with weekly pay, which is the default payment method. Every Monday, Uber processes your previous week's earnings Monday through Sunday, and you'll usually see the deposit hit your bank account by Tuesday or Wednesday. This is a solid option if you're treating Uber Eats as a consistent weekly side gig and prefer to budget your income like a regular paycheck. There are no extra fees involved, which means you keep everything you earn, including tips and bonuses. Now, let's talk about instant pay. Uber's on-demand payout feature. This lets you cash out your earnings up to 5 times a day for a small fee of 0.85 cents per transaction, or free if you're using the Uber Pro card. If you need your money fast, maybe to fill up your gas tank or cover an unexpected expense, Instant Pay is a real lifesaver. It gives you flexibility to access your money on your terms whenever you want. However, here's what to keep in mind if you're constantly using Instant Pay multiple times a week. Those small fees can add up over time. If you cash out 5 times a week, that's around $4.25 a week, over 200 a year. So if you're not in cash crunch, it may be smarter to stick to weekly payouts or limit how often you cash out instantly. Both payout options are reliable. It just depends on your needs. If you're just getting started, test out both and see what works best for your lifestyle. Also, if you're using Instant Pay, consider switching to the Uber Pro card, which gives you free daily cash outs and even rewards like gas discounts. So, are you a team Instant Pay or team Weekly Pay? Let me know in the comments. And if this video breakdown helped you understand Uber Eats payouts better, smash that like button and subscribe for more gig economy tips every week.